Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You need to start by locating likely hot spots on your subject and background. Do this now. Reduce flash power to 1/4 or 1/8 and attach a small bounce card. Once done, hold a 45 degrees black flag or gaffer card to block the direct beam where reflections occur and angle the flash off-axis. Make sure to test one frame, check the histogram, and adjust the flag placement rather than power. This prevents concentrated glare. Now you modify the light to spread intensity across a larger area. Switch to a diffuser or small softbox and place a white bounce card to broaden output. This lowers peak intensity on any one spot. Move your flash back by 1-2 feet and increase the angle relative to the subject so the beam covers more area. Once done, shoot and review. Then fine-tune TTL or manual power by small EV steps, so highlights sit below peak clipping on the histogram. Finish by methodically testing and correcting small issues. You should take bracketed exposures at slightly different flash angles and powers to compare results. Once done, zoom to 100% on the image and inspect the highlight areas while watching the histogram for clipping. If a hot spot remains, move the flash further off-axis, add a second flag, or increase diffusion. Make sure to retest after each change. If nothing helps, change camera angle to eliminate reflective geometry between subject and flash.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.